Okay, so today I took three trades. I took all three of them during the pre-market. Um, when I noticed price was holding some specific areas. VIX was looking like it should go short, but I took three shorts. VIX looked like it was trying to find a resistance at the level, but it didn't look like it was holding the resistance at the level. So I was looking for shorts around that time. Let me pull this up real quick, and I can go for my trades. Once it loads. Sheesh. Take your time, why don't you? Alright, so it's not loading apparently. It's took a lot longer than I expected. Let me close some of these up. Alright, so while it's trying to do that, let me go over what I saw. I'll try my best because I think I deleted most of the charts. So I was looking for a short. I think I was looking for a short. We had this area here. Um, yeah, I deleted most of the stuff. I believe we had a value area around here somewhere. I'm gonna try to wait for it. Actually, no, I took screenshots. Let's just do that. Let's go into the screenshots. So here, right? So the first short on the 13th came when we had this here. This is like at 906. A strong volume. This is on Heikin Dashi. NQ was outside of its level, retesting this area. ES broke down, but we had some strong buying, and I kind of like ignored that. That was my problem with this trade. We had some strong buying that came in, pushed price up, and I thought that well maybe we would sell down. I purchased here at this breakout. ES and Q was breaking down, and then when I saw the strong buying, I should have said, you know what, maybe I should exit this trade early because buyer stepped in, or adjust where my stop loss was. But I stayed in the trade. I got fully stopped out. Realized on that price came up. This is what it was looking like. This is where we were. We were facing the um, this 30-minute area here. Um, my entry was there. You can see was my entry was right here when we are rejecting it. Like we are rejecting it. So things were looking good. You can see it on NQ. So NQ was around here, right? So I was looking for that nice push down. I thought we were getting it. ES went down to here, got in reverse, and Q went down to this previous area here. I think we're gonna break through it, but it reversed. So it looked like it wanted to break through, which is why I stayed in the trade. But the buying was just too heavy. First trade, took a trade. Took a trade. I bought this right away. I think I bought this one here, and I ended up getting stopped again. Fully realized, and I should have just stayed out of the market completely after that first trade, but I didn't recognize that high volume right here of buying. My brain just didn't click on right away, and I saw that NQ was still low, but NQ was, I mean, the high volume. I needed to respect that. That was the highest buying volume that we had um, before the market even opened. Let me see if I can find it on this on my charts, and then let me scroll back. All right, so and then let's go right into here, right? So this is about 3,000 volume before the market even opened. That's a lot of freaking volume, you know. Out of all the volume that came in for 1 minute, once this thing's able to populate, um, you know. So we have the London session is at 3. London session is at 3. Volume is still low, 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 low. Some strong volume here, right? Right around here, strong volume. All right, which is where we respected here at 821. All right, strong volume kind of here, strong volume up here, but we're not, doing anything much, right? And then we came back to this here. That's where we bounced, and then we had a strong volume from where we kind of like bounced off, right? Strong buying volume. So I took two trades here. My second trade came, I believe, at 829. I had an angle. I think we had this, and then my stop loss was up here. So let's go back to the screenshots. So I just got the third trade right here. Yeah. So my second trade came here, right? I think I answered it when this was a little lower. On NQ. Nice rejection. So looks like price wanted to move lower. Price was holding this area here, and I like that rejection there. Then I said, oh snap, NQ didn't break out of its level fully. When I was in the trade, NQ started pushing up higher, and it started making me nervous because this would have been like my third realized trade, and this one I was trading a lot more. Both trades I traded one ES contract. I'm just being my conservative, but this one here my risk was a lot higher. This was about 3 points, and I only went one ES contract for the first trade, and then I added another ES contract when price kind of like pushed down on the, I think it was like on the pushed down like this, and we came back up. So I added around here. So I added to the trade, and then once price reached my 2-1 level here, I took an exit, and then once it reached my full area here, I took my second exit about 4 points later. So 52.20 gives me about 52. No, that's not my trade. My trade was here, 52. Let's go back to the screenshot. 52.50. I apologize. 52.50 was about here, right? Up here. Here it is. All right. Yeah. So this is like the area where price kind of closed the previous day, and so I went back and then we closed the gap, right? And then I did not realize I didn't think we were gonna go down here until I saw where VIX was. Let me just turn this into VIX. No, VIX was down here, and I said, oh, it looks like VIX wants to go higher. I said, look like VIX wants to go higher around here, and lo and behold, NQ is holding this, the ES is holding this, NQ is holding this, and price went up higher. I think NQ was about 50%. Is that 50% of this time move? Yeah, right. So NQ was just holding about 50% of the move, and then it went down. ES was also holding below, and it went down. So that was another potential area, and then we had a strong bounce. So, but I did take a hypothetical trade around here. I said I was going to take a trade, like a trade idea, and I had my stop loss right above, and then this would have been a nice trade. I missed the opportunity, but it is what it is. I was kind of tired, and I was just like in and out as far as like looking at the charts. mentally exhausted. But this would have been a nice trade to take also because I planned it. The stop loss was right above here, and it looked good. So there was that. So three trades, and then one I didn't take.